Hello everyone. Well, it's been a while since we've done one of these. Today I will be building the Morgue, not Mega Morgue or Mini Morgue, just the Morgue I'm going to go with. From Classic Robot Wars. Going to be doing something slightly different to what I usually do today. Most people when building a model of the Morgue robots, they tend to use like a drinks can, like a Coke can or a Pepsi can, but I don't drink things like that. So I'm going to be using a Heinz Beans can. It's the right sort of shape and size and it's pretty sturdy. So yeah, I'm going to go and take the label off this, wash it out and take the top off and we'll get going. Okay, so now I've took the thing off and washed the inside out, put the top off. Definitely didn't cut my finger while taking the top off. Yeah, there's these things on it, I can't bother to get rid of them. So now I'm going to make sort of the base sort of bit of the robot, bottom half. So yeah, I'll get round to drawing that out. Okay, so I've drawn out the base panel and the two sides. Also the corner pieces connect onto the round bits of the can. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So yeah, I'll do tape on the front, duct tape on the back. Cut these out, stick them on. I'll show you when I've done that. Okay, so I've got the base on. I think I've made a miscalculation. The sides aren't quite high enough as those corners I was talking about. But I've got an idea on how to fix it. I taped all this so I don't further injure myself. Didn't stick too well. That's the underside. It doesn't quite do the rollover yet. I need to put a weight inside. Also I need to make an end cap for this, which I forgot to do earlier. So yeah, we're getting there. Okay, so it's a new day now, so it's going a bit late yesterday. I've put a weight in the bottom. There's a dead AA battery taped at the bottom, just to make sure it can, you know, do the rolling, and it's got a end cap on it there. So yeah, now I'm going to do the bodywork over the top. I'm going to use not the usual card. I found this yellow card, so I'm going to draw designs on this and wrap it around. Should be good. Okay, so I've got the covering on it now. It says the Morgue. It's got the guy with his hood and the big stick blade thing. I don't know what it's called. That's on both sides as well. So yeah, now I'm going to do this sort of front wedge section that the flipper sits on. Okay, so I've drawn out the panels for the front flipper section. So I've got the back, the base, the two sides, and the front bit. I'm trying to draw a piston in there, doesn't look too great though. Also the back isn't really necessary since it's going to be hard up against this, which I have realised from looking at the picture should be yellow, but can't be bothered to change it now. So yeah, I'll get this all cut out and assembled. Okay, now we've got the front wedge attached. Fits quite well. It doesn't impede on the rollover ability. Yeah. So now it's time to make the flipper. Okay, so I've drawn out the parts of the flipper, literally just two grey rectangles. I'm also going to get some cocktail sticks to make the sort of spiky things it had at the end. Probably not going to be able to do the top ones because that's a bit awkward to make. But yeah, I'll get on with doing that now. Okay, there's the flipper. It's got the prongs, and the middle one stuck out further on the real robot, so that's why it's a bit longer. Yeah, it's attached quite well, works quite well. Test it out on this rather terrible old Whiplash model I found in a random box the other day. Pretty powerful, and it doesn't get in the way of the rollover, which is good. There's one more thing I want to add. If you look on this one, it has sort of a cone type of thing at the top. I don't really know what purpose that served, but I'm going to use some of that yellow card and stick it on, so I'll get back to you with that. Okay, so I made a circle with a pattern on it, cut a line from the outside to the centre, and just roll it in a bit, tape it down, and I've got a cone. So I'll attach that onto there. And there we are, the Morgue is complete. It's got the flipper, spike thing, expiration date. Yes, there's some small holes in it, that doesn't matter though. Drew the piston in there, and yes, it does the thing both ways. Yeah, and Agent Orange too, why not? The flipper is pretty good. Quite strong for a fairly small flipper. Well, the cocktail sticks reinforce it. So yeah, that's that build. Been a while since I've done one of these. May do some more soon. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.